A gigafactory is a term coined by Tesla CEO Elon Musk to describe a large-scale manufacturing facility focused on the production of electric vehicle batteries and related components. The name Gigafactory is derived from the unit prefix giga, representing 1 billion, indicating the immense scale and capacity of these facilities. Gigafactories play a crucial role in accelerating the transition to sustainable transportation by enabling the mass production of electric vehicles and the development of renewable energy storage solutions. The primary purpose of a gigafactory is to streamline and optimize the production of lithium-ion batteries, which are essential components in electric vehicles and renewable energy systems. These factories are designed to integrate every stage of the battery manufacturing process, including cell production, module assembly, and pack assembly, under one roof. By centralizing production, gigafactories can achieve economies of scale, reduce costs, and increase efficiency in battery manufacturing. Gigafactories typically employ advanced automation and robotics technologies to ensure high production volumes and maintain quality standards. These technologies, coupled with optimized supply chains and standardized manufacturing processes, help increase productivity and reduce the time required to produce batteries. As a result, gigafactories have the potential to drive down the cost of electric vehicles and energy storage systems, making them more affordable and accessible to consumers. In addition to battery production, some gigafactories also manufacture other components critical to electric vehicles, such as electric motors and power electronics. By producing these components in-house, gigafactories further optimize supply chains and reduce dependence on external suppliers. Gigafactories are strategically located near key raw material sources and markets to minimize transportation costs and facilitate efficient distribution. These facilities require significant investments, both in terms of infrastructure and research and development, to advance battery technologies and enhance production capabilities. Consequently, gigafactories often collaborate with research institutions and universities to drive innovation and develop cutting-edge battery technologies. The establishment of gigafactories is not limited to a single company. Various automakers and energy storage companies worldwide are investing in these facilities to scale up their electric vehicle production and meet the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. Gigafactories also create employment opportunities and contribute to local economies by attracting investments and fostering technological advancements. As the demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy storage systems continues to rise, gigafactories are playing a pivotal role in meeting this demand at scale. They are instrumental in reducing greenhouse gas emissions, curbing reliance on fossil fuels, and driving the transition toward a sustainable and carbon-neutral future. In summary, a gigafactory is a large-scale manufacturing facility dedicated to the production of electric vehicle batteries and related components. These factories streamline battery production, employ advanced automation, and optimize supply chains to achieve economies of scale and reduce costs. Gigafactories play a crucial role in accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles and renewable energy systems, driving down costs, and fostering the transition to a sustainable energy future.